because today we'll be looking at cars. Oh my gosh, that's good.
Make sure y'all stay by me.
Okay.
I was taking a picture of
We're
that.
gonna look at motorcycles
I was
last.
taking a picture of that. I'm
Taking a
Watch where you're going. Okay,
I'm
take a
taking a
picture
video.
of it.
Look at all those cars. Those are so pretty. Those are all of those like right in line right there. These are some pretty cars. I like the lights. The lights are cool. Those are Chevrolet motorcycles. A food truck right there. Bus chilling.
Turn around. It goes this way.
We're turning around. Okay, turn around.
I'm waiting for him to do what you did. Ready. Right now you can do PlayStation, Xbox. Actually, your point was that's the cars.
I guess that one truck left. Tyler, I guess that one truck left.
What truck?
The one that, the one with the girl that videoed us yesterday. I guess they left.
Oh, yeah, I guess they did.
Yeah.